keep the line off the deck when you strip. You can't always do it when in the heat of the moment, but if you can keep it organized in the well, it's gonna do you a lot of good. I like to fish barefoot because I can feel the line. If the line's wrapped around my feet, I can feel it. If you wear shoes or socks or whatever, you don't always know where the line is. So what I'm doing is just casting out. I'm gonna get a little more line off here and stripping at a fairly, Bill, is this retrieve speed about right?
Yeah, you'd like something about 18 inches to 2 feet in strip.
Oh, that's longer strip then.
Pretty quick. Basically, you're just letting your forearm fall at your side when you're stripping in the one-handed strip technique. That gives the fly a chance to pulsate.
Like that?
Yeah,
okay.
You get a little bit more of a flash with it, a little more of an attraction, and it speeds it up so they don't have a chance to study it too long. They'll hammer it, they see it, they'll hammer it, or they're gonna lose it to their partner next to them.
Oh, there's fish.
That was the happy zone.
That was the happy zone. Not a big one, but it's fish. Oh, don't even have
Yeah, he's small enough that we might worry about a bluefish seeing him.
Oh, there's the future of our sport.
Yeah, it is always good to see the little guys in as much
But
as
even a little guy, look at that, bending that 9 weight, even a little guy. They're feisty fish.
They almost all hit about the same authority. I
Yeah,
mean,
they do, don't they?
You want the honors there of that, or shall I?
No, I can take the honors. I'm gonna do the old, you ever see this where you get some about a rod's length of line here, right? And you bring it back, not so you're high sticking, and then you let go, and it pops the leader right into your hand and takes pressure off the rod.
That's a good trick. That's a good trick.
You ever use that?
I'll bet 70% of rod death occurs from people trying to horse a fish near the boat with just the tip of the rod.
High sticking is probably the leading cause of broken rods except for car doors. And so these bass are nice because stripers don't have big teeth, so you can just lip them, keep them in the water if possible. Take the hook out so that he's not out of the water long.
Yeah, generally it's
and then
it's a bigger handle to work with.
away he goes.